another video. So guys, as you can tell, my hair is slayed and I just did this wig install. Okay guys, let me just tell you guys, I'm not a pro, but if you want to know how I did this, keep on watching. So guys, the name of this wig is called Jaycee and it's from AliExpress. This is the packaging and I like it so far. This is 24 inches, super long. If y'all want to know how I installed this wig, just keep on watching. For all my newbies who click this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so we can become friends. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut the lace. This is the wig right here. This is what the wig came in. This pink bag. And I'm gonna cut the lace. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut the lace. So let me tell you guys, I'm not a pro at this, but I'm getting better. I'm getting better. So got my little scissors and I'm gonna cut the lace. Cut it down the middle. Just clip all around. Then I come out my ear. And I put my straps in the back so my wig can be tighter. Okay, now that I cut most of the, lace off, I'm gonna put makeup on it so it can blend with my skin. I'm gonna use my gold spine to glue it down, and once I glue it down, I'm gonna lay down my baby hair and my wig gonna look cute. Okay, gold spine is the best glue. It lasts up to a week. The wig looks so far. I didn't even lay my baby hair yet, and it's already pretty. I was gonna flat iron this hair, but I don't want to flat iron it. It's already cute. Oh, this is on it. By the way, it's 24 inches. Y'all can't really see it, but I'm gonna do my baby hair next, okay? Just keep watching. Let's see it. part I don't like is like right here. It's like some hair missing right here. It's like bald right here on the sides. That's the only part you see. Like, I feel like the hair is thin right here. That's the only part I don't like. But I can't wear my hair up. I can't. But other than that, baby hair on point, everything.